February 14th, 2009, Isaac's first Valentine's Day. Oh. That's not what we had in mind.
Like now, other boys are just wearing those.
Are you okay?
And then they'll change. Why?
Are you okay? Yes. Yes, dear.
So, where's Daddy?
He went upstairs for a minute.
What does this say,
Miss
Mom?
McQueen.
Mom, what does this say?
It says, "Be mine."
And it says, "Be mine."
Yep.
Is that why there's a bee right there?
That's right.
And the boys with Daddy are right.
Yes, Logan, be gentle, please.
I guess I should bring out Logan Isaac's guitar.
Oh, yeah?
Isaac's gonna wear a guitar. I don't know. I want to wear it.
I think he was going after McQueen, Logan.
And Logan, you know what you're gonna wear? This. No. Logan, it's very fancy. It's yours. I'm wearing mine because I'm already getting jazzed. Where's
Except you have no pants on, yeah. I don't know.
No.
Abby, what are you doing?
We're trying to get his Valentine's Day shirt on.
Oh. This is what happens when you're the little brother.
I got it, Abby. I ever got an Isaac yet. Yeah, I got it. Not yet. We have to
Clearly it's Valentine's Day 2009. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Wow, Abby, that's impressive. Isaac, Abby got your shirt on you.
He's just like, whoa, I'm walking and rolling.
Yeah. He's definitely rocking and rolling.
Adam has to come see this.
Who?
The Lord Daddy.
Oh, yeah. That's what I thought you said.
Hey, Dad! I put Isaac's Valentine's Day
And now you're foraging. There's nothing in there, buddy. Isaac.
Dad, I don't want that.
Hey. Yeah, thanks for
Put it down! Mom! Why are we doing presents?
We will. Okay, this is for Isaac.
No!
He's reaching.
Just like, I'll give it to him. What's that? What's that? Mom, what about mine now? Mom.
Being attacked.
My
Yeah, that's fun, huh?
medical.
Okay.
My medical.
I think he was trying to pull stuff out. What do you think is in here, Logan?
I don't know.
Logan, what is it? Happy Valentine's Day, kids. Wow! Who's that?
This is Rainbow Dash Rainbow House.
Mm-hmm.
And the helicopter.
Mm-hmm.
It's like my other one.
Do you have Rainbow Dash?
It's up there.
Oh, you do.
Open that. See what it is.
Well, you didn't have Rainbow Dash's house, so.
Okay, can you say thank you to Mommy?
Thank you, Mom. Mom, can I open it?
Happy Valentine's Day 2009.
I want to play with them. Please, my hand. You want to open it? Yeah. I like it.
Oh.
Mhm.
Isaac's first Valentine's Day.
That's right. It is Isaac's first Valentine's Day.
Thanks for watching Board Talk. Yeah, eat it. And this be my closing sentence.
Mhm.
What does your shirt say? What does your shirt say?